Hello everyone, this is Deborah bringing you a Walmart clearance haul. Everything from toys to some cleaning supplies. First up, we have the Trolls Tiny Diamond doll. See the clearance sticker that says $20 is on hidden clearance for just $5. We have Star Wars, 105 pieces for $7.14. We have the Star Wars Lego set, 208 pieces. There's a UPC for that. $11.57. Next Star Wars we have is the Mission Fleet with the speeder bike. And here's the UPC for that. It is $9.70 plus tax. We have the Marvel Adventures. Here's your UPC for that. He was $4 and a penny. Next we have Dungeons and Dragons. I'm sure you kids from the 80s remember this. UPC, just $2.97 plus tax. Moving right along to the cleaning supplies, we have rubbing alcohol, 70% to 75 cents. UPC for that. Followed by the Downy Defy. It was on clearance for $5. And here's the UPC for that. I believe we have paper coupons for that, or maybe they expired already. We have the Hyper Tough 5-pack masks for just $1.16. We have the Boulder Clean Disinfectant Cleaner for just $1. UPC for that. We have the SEP antibacterial disinfectant. And the UPC for that was just $1. And we also have a gigantic bottle of bubbles. Here's the UPC. This is over $12 online for just $2.50. I'd like to thank you all for coming by. Have a good day. Thank you.